Guys, what's up? It's Davina here. Welcome to my channel, Davina's Fave. So today I'll be showing you guys my vision board that I created for 2019. So it's going to be like more vlog style. It's not like it's really a sit down video. I'm just showing you guys really quick before I head out the door. So this is my overall vision board right here. 2019 looks pretty good for me. I did want a little bit more from 2019, but overall I achieved so much. So I just put random things that I wanted this year. As you see, there's no man up here, there's no husband. Not that that wouldn't be nice, but that wasn't my main focus or goal. And I also achieved some things I had from the previous year, 2018, this year too. It's on my laptop. I have strong gray hair, feed your faith on demand, friendship, praise, and in the center it says healthy and happy. So overall, I just wanted to have a healthy and happy life. I wanted to be happy. Then you see 11 embrace. So it's like a lot of things going on. So in this section you see strong. Like I just wanted to be more courageous and strong and brave, and I definitely have grown in that. I became a lot more brave and just going for what I want, and I've been a little bit more confident. I've grown in confidence. I went for my license this year and also achieved a vehicle that I don't have to make any payments on. And now I'm going for new things within the next few months that I will believe that I'm going to achieve by the month of April, May. And then I have like just hair right here. So this whole section is hair. So I have Design Essentials. That's one of my favorite professional brands to use. And you see that I put this photo because I like that it had this updo. And then I have this picture of a hair braiding salon. Just a hair, I wanted a hair salon in general, but this was great because I specialize in braids. So my vision was to have a salon or whatever, and I do still want to have my own salon, but that's one thing that I did not achieve in 2019 was my own salon, but I did end up working at a salon again. It was good in the beginning. And then I have some of my Kelsey and Kendra from Glam Twins. They're somebody that I admire as far as, you know, I've been watching them for years, and I just love that they grew their hair so long. They changed a little bit over the years, but I still really like them. I watch their videos still. And I have this girl because I really love her style. I love the way she has her hair, and then she just has like a cool, edgy, kind of more eccentric type of style. Like it's like different. She knows how to put things together and it looks good. Then I have Issa Rae. She's and they also represent YouTube as well. And then I have another thing with Kelsey and Kendra right there. They're in the magazine. This represents YouTube. And Issa Rae. Issa Rae, if you guys don't know, she's very well known. She's been in movies. She's a producer as well. And she started off, I don't know where she started off before YouTube, but I started off watching her on YouTube with The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl. I loved that show when she had it on YouTube. Then she started producing other series, mini-series on her channel, and now she's on the big screen having her own show. I don't watch her new show. I watched it one time, Insecure, but now that I've grown, like spiritually, I can't watch certain things. I try not to watch stuff that have like a whole bunch of cursing and, you know, graphic things. I try not to watch too much of that, so I don't watch the show. She's inspiration, seeing her grow from YouTube to the big screen, and I want to grow my YouTube channel. It's not like I want to be famous, but I just want to grow. And in 2019 I did see myself grow. I went from the double digits to now the triple digits, so I am overall thankful that I grew that much, even though I didn't grow like hundreds of subscribers, or you know, I didn't get 1,000 or more, but I am thankful that I did grow a bit in this year, more than I did the previous years in 1 year. And then over this side, this is my family side. I have a love and embrace, and I have a family because I just want my family to bond better. Like I come from more of a dysfunctional family. We have lots of good times, but we do have this dysfunction, and I guess most families have dysfunction, but you know, it's like really dysfunctional. My family, like if you knew our story, like it's very crazy. We all went through some crazy things, and then overall together we're just like a crazy family. You wouldn't probably know that by just seeing me, but most people think that I just come from a super nice family, and I do come from a nice family, but they don't know the things that I've been through and that we've been through, and that my family has been through. And then I have praise. My relationship with God is still growing, and I believe that I'm doing good with my relationship with God. But outwardly in church, like, I kind of hold back. I won't say I hold back, but it's like since I've been back in church, like I haven't been like praising like I used to. I still have my relationship with God. I pray behind closed doors, and just in my everyday life, I serve God. It's no doubt about that. But I guess I could praise God, or I know I can show more praise for God outwardly in front of people and in church. And then I have supporting a dream because I want to go for my dreams. Saving money, I definitely saved and stretching money. So saving money and budgeting, I have definitely done that this year. I'm more so saved. I got to start saving again because after I bought my vehicle, I stopped saving because I've been having so many bills lately. But I'm going to start saving again. And then I have a jar full of joy. This is basically gratitude, saying what you're grateful for. I never created this jar, which is right there, but just saying what I'm thankful. I do when I pray, I do thank God for what I have, and I do say what I am thankful for more often. And then I like this, it says Black Men Matter, because you know the things that has been going on through the last few years in general, with black men being harmed by policemen and things like that. And bold, you know, I told you guys I want to be more courageous and bold. I definitely have grown in that a bit. Then this right here, this represents fashion, my love for fashion, talking more about fashion on YouTube and doing more things in the fashion. I haven't really done that much because I haven't really had the money to spend, but that's something that's great. Unapologetically fearless, like I said, this goes hand in hand with bold and strong and courageous. I've been doing that more. And then I have these represent traveling. So you see there's different destinations, the Virgin Islands, Thailand, and UK. So I definitely want to travel more, and I have traveled a bit this year. Well, I traveled one time. I traveled by myself to Florida for the Pinky Promise Conference. So I was so happy that I done that. Oh, and on this side, I forgot to show you guys the car. Like I said, I didn't get like a brand new car or a newer car, but I did purchase my first vehicle, which I am so proud of. I'm very happy, and I'm going to, you know, just be happy with what I have until God says it's time for me to have a new vehicle. And I'm just happy with my vehicle. I don't have any complaints. I will be getting my oil change today too. And then right here I have the Canon camera. It's crazy because my camera is almost just like this. I have a Canon, I can't remember the name right now, but I have a camera now, and I have a Canon camera. I don't like to record with it, I noticed, because it's hard for me to get the files to my phone to edit, because I edit on my phone because I have iMovie up there. On my Chromebook, because I don't have a regular laptop, I have to pay for editing, and I try not to pay for it anymore, so I don't do any videos, but it's better anyway for photos. So I use this Canon camera to take my Instagram photos of my clients. I have two bills right here. These is basically things that I'm in debt of, and I completed one of them. So this Thursday, today is Tuesday, I will have paid my last payment for my first debt that I paid off. It was almost $1,000, and I recently made 3 payments. This will be the 3rd payment, but before that I made a payment, and then once it went to the 2nd payment, it didn't go through because of my bank account situation that happened. I talked about it in my I finally did it video about my bank account, what happened to it. This week it'll be fully paid off, and then I can move on to the next debt payment. So my goal is also to get myself out of debt, so I'm so happy. I still have a lot of debt to pay off, but me paying this off will help bring up my credit score, and I'm just happy just to pay off something that I owe, something that was in my name. And then from there I have another one that I'm going to pay off. I'm just going to pay that off in full because it's only $285, I believe, so I could pay that off with just one payment. I'll be paid by the end of this month, and then I could work on paying off some of my student loans. I could just make payments, and I'll have to do a little bit more research on how I should go about paying off this debt. But I'm just overall happy. I completed so many things on this. The only things that I did not complete or finish was this. I didn't get a salon this year, And what else? I didn't do as much fashion, but everything else, I see my YouTube and social media grow a bit. Family is still work in progress, but like now that I'm back here, staying with my grandmother for now, I see growth. I achieved my license this year. I had my car. My relationship with God is still growing. It has grown. I'm working on being more bold outwardly at church with sharing my faith, because I've been like more on the quiet side since I came back, and I know God sent me back here for a reason, so I have to demonstrate that to everybody. I can't be worried about what people are going to think or what people are going to say, or just afraid to do it in front of people. Like, it's not that hard. I mean, it's easier to do it in front of a camera to show how your faith is and how you really feel, but to do it in front of people that know you as being like so shy and stuff, and now your relationship has grown so much. I'm just have been known to be like such a quiet, shy person at my church, so just to express my newfound boldness that I have grown in, it's like kind of like I've been like shy towards it, so I need to just do it one day, just to open up my mouth and people could hear from me. But yeah, you guys, sorry for rambling. This is my vision board. You see that it's like short and simple, but also I think it's still cute. And soon I'll be getting started on my 2020 vision board. I can't wait for that. I might do it similar to how Aaron On Demand made hers. If you haven't watched or checked out Aaron On Demand channel, I advise you to. She's very good. I love her. She basically helps build people's brands, and she also gives really good advice about business and things of that. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.